Clifford, I'll start with you because you are joining us online.
Yeah.
And I have a rest of the
Yeah.
political panel here in the studio.
Yes.
So तुम्ही जेन्ना ही गजाल
yes.
पळयतात
Yeah.
काहीच तुमकां अजाप बिजाप
Yeah.
काय दिसलें नासतलें कारण खूब दीस जालीं आमकां आयकूं येतालेंच.
In fact, I am relieved.
You're relieved की एकदा जाली म्हणून.
No. 6 were known. Who are the 2? That was the
सस्पेन्स
issue.
सोंपलें उरिल्ले 2 कोण ते.
Yes.
तुमकां दिसता की now this has been a norm as far as Congress is concerned. We should stop expecting anything different from Congress, or you still have some hopes because some people are using words like phoenix and getting back from the ashes and all. Do you believe that, or you feel that as far as Congress is concerned, it is very difficult for the party to come out of this?
It is difficult for the party. Their credibility is at an all-time low. There is lot of trust element for them to build all over again. Last time when 10 went out, first 3 had gone out. The whole propaganda against the Congress party was that people vote for Congress party MLAs and the MLAs shift to BJP. So why vote for them? Might as well vote for others if you want to oppose BJP. But whether the people will give them another chance, like last time they said, whatever happens, this is a chance to dethrone BJP. I and Giriraj have been on number of panels during election time, and I told him that the anger is so high that the BJP would be out. And the anger was seen in 1 to 11, 1 becoming 11. That was the anger that was against the government. They could not form the government. But 2 things. One is, if BJP performs very well and they give real good governance, maybe there is no alternative. But if that anger remains, 1, and 2, if the governance is bad, then the people will look out for alternative. Maybe Congress will be an alternative. Who knows?